Okay, let's take on a new component of language. This new component is orthography. Orthography is different from phonology. Phonology has that word part, phono, which means sounds. So phonology is about the sound or sounds of a language. Orthography, on the other hand, is about the written symbols of a language. Another word for written symbols is letter, and it's about how letters combine to build words. So orthography is about written symbols, it's about letters, and it's about how they combine. Another term that we sometimes use for letter is the term grapheme. And again, it's just a fancy way of saying individual letter. Often in English we think, hey, we have about 26 different individual letters, or the letters of our alphabet. And that's fine. We have a lot of common letters like A. But 26 is really a little bit of an underestimate because we also have capital forms, we also have different fonts, we also have sometimes cursive writing. So we actually have more than 26 symbols, but for now it's perfectly fine for us to think about that there are 26 symbols in our alphabet. Now, you have really highly developed orthographic processing skills. And that idea that in orthography, symbols combine, you have a really good ability to see the combinations of letters or to anticipate the combinations of letters. And to help you to understand that, let's play America's favorite game show. Let's play Wheel of Fortune. Because Wheel of Fortune is, in large part, a television show about orthography or orthographic processing. Now to play this, what I'm going to do is I am going to start to remove a letter tile. And I'm going to reveal a letter, and you are going to anticipate what the other letters around it are going to be. So let me get rid of one of these letter tiles here. Let's see if I can get the technology to work. Here it is, H. Given that you know an H is in that position, you can anticipate what is going to be in this first position and what isn't going to be there. There's not going to be an X there. There's not going to be a Z there. There's not going to be a Y there. Think about the letters that could be there. Could be a C. Could be a T. Could be a S, couldn't it? Orthographic processing helps you to see that. Now, orthographic processing is also going to help you anticipate what's in this position. This is when you'd say, Pat, I'd like to buy a vowel, because you know that there's a high probability of a vowel in that position, the way our orthographic symbol system works. Now, there's a low probability it's a consonant like R, but there's a much higher probability that it's going to be a vowel. And we're right, it is a vowel, A. And given the A in that position, that helps you to anticipate the letter that's going to be in this position. It's not just happenstance what's going to be there. There's a limited set of letters that can go in that position with an A preceding it. It's not going to be another A. It's not going to be an O. It's not going to be lots of different letters. What could it be? What's a high probability letter to follow an A in a single syllable word like that? My guess is you probably recognized it's going to be an R. And given that, you probably know what our word's going to be. Shark. Okay. Let's look at orthographic processing one other way to help you to understand how good you are with symbols. I'm going to bring down a word, but I'm only going to bring down half of a word for you. Oh, it's kind of down here along the bottom of the page. I'm only showing you half of a word. But your orthographic processing system is so good, it's so efficient, probably in a matter of seconds after me pulling that down, you knew instantaneously what that word is going to be. And you know that that word, oops, I got to do a little bit of technology ungrouping here. You know that that is the word happy. You have a very well-developed orthographic processing system. You anticipate letters that are going to come because you have a sense of how letters combined in our language. And even when you see an incomplete set of data, your mind can fill in the voids. You anticipate what those letters are going to be. Okay, that's enough about orthographic processing for right now.